So guys, nakita nyo kung gaano kahangin sa labas, di ba? So, maganda mag-try ngayon. We'll try the microphone outside kasi mahangin. So, i-check natin kung gagana ba yung hindi masyadong marinig yung hangin ba. So, check natin yung Boya microphone outside. So guys, nasa labas na ako guys. Ayan. Malakas ang hangin, sobrang lakas ang hangin. Kaya nasa labas ako guys for today. For the testing of this Boya BY-MM1. Okay, so today is very windy, so I have to check if it's really working with this microphone. So makikita nyo guys, you can see that it's really windy today. So we will check on the effectivity talaga kung effective ba talaga itong Boya guys, no? So for now, maririnig ninyo ang hangin. And I'm not using any microphone. The microphone lang ng ng phone. And now I have to connect this Boya BY-MM1. So now it's really windy, so maybe you can hear the wind beneath my wings. So guys, ayan guys, it's really windy, right? Okay, so maririnig nyo yung hangin. Okay, there. So it's windy today, okay, and we'll have to put on the windshield guys. Now it's really windy. Oh my god. Boy. Super windy. And then I have to put this one. Now guys, may microphone na siya. So mapapansin nyo ang difference. So medyo naglight yung naglight yung hangin, 'di ba? Naglight yung surroundings. I mean, hindi niyo na masyadong naririnig ang hangin, 'di ba? Ang ingay, kanina sobrang ingay. So, yun yung pinaka-difference guys. Kaya maganda talaga itong Boya BY-MM1. Pag nag-film kayo outside, na ikakabit nyo ang windshield. Okay? So far guys, I'm so satisfied. And I have to remove once again the... Ayan guys. So, maririnig nyo ang hangin. Maririnig nyo ang difference. Ayan. So, 'di ba? Mahangin talaga siya, guys. Ayan, malakas. Okay? There. So, this is I'm not using any microphone here. The Boya is not connected. So, maririnig nyo, guys, yung hangin. Guys, nasa loob na ako at pinanood ko nga yung guys, talagang ang laki ng difference. Nung paglabas ko guys, walang walang kasi mahangin pa rin talaga sa labas, kaya tiniming ko talaga today for the testing because of the wind. It's so windy outside. It's just English. Nag-English ako, day. Yun nga, kasi para makita nyo ba na talagang worth din yung binili ko, no, para hindi sumakit ang aking heart. Yun, mahangin pa rin talaga sa labas. So, nagwo-work talaga siya na pati yung microphone na kasi naka-off yung microphone noong 'di ba, nung paglabas ko. So nilagay ko yung yung windshield niya, talagang nag-minimal yung yung hangin. So check niyo lang ulit guys, and then ngayon naman i-check natin yung indoor. So guys, I'm here now indoors. So i-check natin. We will try this Boya BY-MM1 inside the house. So we don't need to use this one because nasa loob na tayo. Okay, so for now, I don't use any microphone. I'm just using my phone. And then we'll connect this Boya BY-MM1 now. Okay, so see, check out the difference guys. From now, I don't have any microphone, and then now I have to connect this one. Okay, and now guys, I have this microphone, so naka-connect na siya. So makikita nyo guys yung difference, buo. It's like my voice is really solid. Solid siya pag may microphone na. So nakaganyan lang guys because I need to mount pa this one to my phone. So hawak ko lang. So yung difference ng with or without microphone is super big guys. Talagang if you have this microphone on, solid yung voice nyo. So kaya isa yun sa mga gusto ko guys dahil pag nagfi-film tayo, hindi basag yung boses ba. So guys, I have to remove once again the mic. Now, I don't have the mic again. Here is the mic. So, hindi connected yung mic, guys. So, makikita niyo yung difference, diba? Now that I don't have the microphone, it's like basag. My voice is like basag. hindi ganun ka-solid. So, yun ang ginusto ko talaga dito sa Boya BY-MM1 dahil nag-watch na ako ng maraming videos about this one. And maganda talaga and affordable din siya. Okay, so I have to reconnect once again the mic para makita nyo talaga yung difference. Now guys, I have the mic on again. So, hawak-hawak ko lang siyang ganito guys dahil I need to mount this one pa on my phone. So, wala pa akong nakitang tools para mag-mount. Pero hawak ko lang siya ngayon. So, siguro maririnig nyo yung difference ng kanina nang tinanggal ko yung mic and now I put it again. Okay, so yun lang guys ang actual footage testing for Boya BY-MM1. And once again, I am super satisfied and it's really working. Pag nasa labas kanina, yung unang footage ko is with super hangin, super windy today. So, tiniming ko talagang mag-video. And then, ito ngayon nasa indoor. So, I already tested both indoor and outdoor for this Boya BY-MM1 and it's really working. So, again guys, if you are looking for a microphone, this is very recommended. I recommend this one dahil lang siya, cheap and handy. So, but disclaimer, this is not sponsored reviews, anything. This is for my personal use. So, yun lang guys. So, anyways, pahabol guys pala, if you buy this Boya BY-MM1, it comes with two cable. So, this one is for the microphone. I mean, this one is for the mobile phone. And this one is for DSLR cameras, camcorders. Ito yung gagamitin nyo guys because they have different cables for the microphone, for the cell phone, and for the camcorders. So next time if I have time, I have to try this on my DSLR camera also. So but for now guys, I am very satisfied with the performance for the Boya BY-MM1. And it's just that I have to check pa kung paano ko i-mount yon sa phone ko and or dun sa DSLR ko. But otherwise, I'm super satisfied and it really minimized the noise outside if merong like windy or something background na medyo hindi maganda for your video. So Boya BY-MM1 is very recommended. I recommended for you guys if you are into budget and looking for a microphone that is really working, because yun na nga guys, today is na try ko na talaga na it's working, especially pag windy yung background nyo. So once again, and magkano bang bili ko sa Boya guys? Ang bili ko dito is in crowns, like I don't really remember, but it's like 400 crowns. I think, yeah, it's 400 crowns and it comes with all the accessories that you need para magamit yung Boya. And it's handy. Medyo may weight siya pero not that heavy. At saka sabi nga 'di ba 86 gram lang. So it's very light for me. So yun lang again guys. Thank you again for watching. And if you are not yet my subscribers, please do click on the bell and subscribe to my channel for the new updates, and I will keep you posted. Thank you once again and have a good day. Bye bye.